हेलो क्लास। लास्ट क्लास में हम शेयर शेयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन में देख चुके हैं। तो आज हम देखेंगे सर्कुलर सेक्शन में। सो देयर इज अ सर्कुलर सेक्शन, देयर इज सर्कुलर सेक्शन एंड द रेडियस इज r. Okay, so r is radius of the circular section acting on this section, that is shear force. So consider a level EF at a distance y from neutral axis. So we know the shear stress formula, Fa y bar by Ib. So here A y bar is moment of the shaded area about the neutral axis. So here is the shaded area and the moment about the neutral axis of the shaded area. I is the moment of inertia of the whole circular section, which is pi by 64 d to the power 4 or pi by 4 r to the power 4. Here d is diameter and r radius of the circular section. D is width of the beam at the level of EF. So this is complete D. E to F is D. So consider a strip of thickness dy at a distance y from neutral axis. So dA is d dy. So B is EF, and which is equals to 2 into EB. Here is a perpendicular at that point, so it will divide in equal parts. So EB, this is EB. So EB is from using Pythagoras theorem in the OE triangle, in the triangle OEB. Here is a hypotenuse, here is a perpendicular, and this is base. So we want base. So using r and y, so root of r square minus y square is the base. Okay. So it is 2 root of r square minus y square dy. So moment of shaded area about neutral axis. So it will from y to r, from that point to limit r point. So from y to r is 2y root of r square minus y square dy. So let r square minus y square is x square. So it will simplify. So 2y equals to minus 2y dx equals to 2x dx. That means in place of 2y dy we put minus of 2x dx, and the in place of limit at y equals to y, so x equals to root of r square minus y square, and y equals to r, so x equals to 0. That means a y bar we can written as root of r square minus y square to the 0, 2x dot x. In place of 2y dy we put 2x dx minus of 2x dx, and root of r square minus y square is x. So here is 2x dot x dot dx. X, there is integration of x square is x cube by 3, and the limit is root of r square minus y square to the 0. Now put the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. So it will get 2 by 3 r square minus y square to the power 3 by 2, which is, this is a y bar, and this a y bar is put in the equation first, which is f, which is tau equals to f a y bar by ib. So put in this equation, then tau equals to f into 2 by 3 r square minus y square to the power 3 by 2, 3 by 2 divided by I into p, and here is b is ef, and ef equals to 2 into eb, and eb is root of r square minus y square. Put this coequation, here is r square minus y square to the power 3 by 2. That means r square minus y square in one bracket and root of r square minus y square. So cut the root portion, and remaining portion is r square minus y square. So a by 3i r square minus y square is the general stress equation. That means stresses at any point on for the circular section. So shear stress distribution across the circular section is parabolic because tau is directly proportional to the y square. Okay, at y equals to r, that means at the topmost of the circular section, so tau is 0 at the top and bottom, and y equals to 0, that means tau at neutral axis, which is maximum f by 3I r square. Here we put the I value, pi by 4 r to the power 4, so we get 4 by 3 into f by pi r square. Here is tau average. So here is f by pi r square is the tau average. Tau average is force divided by cross sectional area of this section, and this put tau average, so tau max equals to 4 by 3 tau average, and the variation, tau average variation is the uniform, so it will same at some points, so we calculate that points, so we equate the tau equation and with the tau average. There is a tau equation, shear stress at any point, and this is tau average. So we put I value is pi by 4 r to the power 4, and we cut the and simplify the equation, so we get y equals to r by 2. That means at y equals to r by 2, the average shear stress and the stress variation equation is equal. And now from we calculate some numerical problem. So here is the problem. A circular beam of 100 diameter is subjected to a shear force of 5 kilonewton. 5 kilonewton. Calculate first average shear stress, second maximum shear stress, third shear stress at a distance of 40 from neutral axis. So given data is there is a diameter 100 and radius is half of the diameter, so it is 50. Shear force 5 kilonewton. So we first find out average shear stress, which is equals to shear force divided by area of circular section. Shear force, this is 5000, that is 5 kilonewton, and area of circular section pi into 50 square. So it will calculated, and we get 0.6366 Newton per mm square. That means tau average is 0.6366 Newton per mm square. Now the second equation is maximum shear stress. We know the relation between maximum shear stress and the average shear stress, and we already find out the tau average. So tau max equals to 4 by 3 tau average. So we put the tau average value here, and we get the tau maximum, which is equals to 0.8488 Newton per mm square. And the third case is shear stress at a distance 40 from neutral axis. So we know the general formula for tau is equals to, in general formula for shear stress for circular section is tau equals to 3 by f by 3I into r square minus y square. We put the values here, and we get 0.3055 Newton per mm square. So I hope you understand the problem. Okay, thank you.